I ran into this last week is what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble with payments not going through on ETRADE, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your account balance. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the payment. Sometimes, unexpected fees or pending transactions can affect your available balance. Step 2. Verify payment details. Double-check the payment details you've entered, including the amount or recipient information and any reference numbers. A small typo can lead to payment failure. Step 3. Review payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and active. If you're using a bank account, check if there are any issues with your bank that could prevent the transaction. Step 4. Check for account restrictions. Log into your ETRADE account and see if there are any alerts or restrictions that might be blocking your payment. Sometimes, security measures can temporarily limit transactions. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ETRADE.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope these steps help you get your payment processed smoothly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.